Hello, welcome dear students. Today we will discuss about halogen. That is the group 17 elements, or you can say group 7 elements. We can see there are 5 elements which are placed in the same group. They are nothing but fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene. All these elements are called as the halogens because they are halo. If you see the Greek word, that it means the halo means the sea, and the gens it means bond. So it bonds from the sea. So they are called as the halogens. They have the similar chemical properties, and because of that they are placed in the same group. If you see the elements, then you can observe that there are the 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So because of that they are placed in the group 7. This is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylines. Actually, 6 elements are there, but the acetylines and TS are called as the radioactive elements because the elements which having the atomic number greater than 82, they are emitting the energies in form of the alpha, beta, and gamma rays. So they are called as the uh, radioactive elements, and hence they are not actually the halogens. So remaining four, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, they are called as the halogens. We can see here the fluorine, then they having the pale yellow gas, then chlorine which have the pale green gas, then bromine it's have the dark and dark liquid, and iodine is the purple solid. So first 2 elements are the gases, then third one is the liquid, and fourth one is the solid. So these are the physical appearance of the halogens. Then the electronegativity. All of you know now what is meant by the electronegativity. Electronegativity is nothing but the capacity of an element to attract the electron toward itself. And you can see here the electronegativity going on decreases when we are moving from top to bottom in the group. So fluorine having the highest electronegativity 3.98 is nearly to 4, and then the bromine, chlorine, and then the bromine, and then the iodine. So electronegativity going on decreases from top to bottom. Atomic number increases, electronegativity going on decreases. Okay. Then see here the halogens. You can see here they are all the halogens are not occurs in a monoatomic form, but all these elements are occurred in a diatomic form. So two fluorine atoms. So formula of that will be the F2, two chlorine atoms Cl2, bromine Br2, iodine I2, like that you will get. And the structure, you can see the structure there, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2, these are the models of that. And then you will get the energies in a gaseous phase and in a solid phase. So they are listed in this table. So like that we can explain about the halogens. Thank you very much.